Very important point, Dr. Goswami, and I want to ask you, Mr. Nag, if they do not even question anybody, is it a police that is trying to find out the details and the truth in this case? Number one. Number two, if the statement that they made about the fact that, the accused, the man who's been arrested, Sanjoy Roy, actually they're believing his statement, then the post-mortem report doesn't match with that. And the principal keeps the parents of the victim waiting for 3 hours. And you are saying that the police has done their job and the principal was following his own dharma?
No way. That's why we, the doctors.
No, I never said that the principal is following the own dharma. I believe you heard it wrong. I made it very clear. I am repeating it for clarity. The actions of the principal are not defended here. I am not bothered about what the principal's actions are. He has been sent to holiday for 15 days. The courts are watching it.
Bengal government, not by the Bengal government. The Bengal government gave him another plum posting in 4 hours. The High Court had to send him on leave. The High Court had to send him on leave. No, Mr. Nag, you can't get away. You have to answer the question. It is the High Court that sent the man, the principal Sandeep Ghosh on leave, not the West Bengal government. Why are you running away from that fact? Why are you running away from that fact? Who's protecting Sandeep Ghosh? Who's protecting Sandeep Ghosh?
So far as the post-mortem reports are concerned or the FSL reports are concerned.
Well, Mr. Nag, if you don't want to answer questions, then it's pointless asking you questions. But Shehzad Poonawalla, if the High Court sends him on leave, the state government was actually giving him another plum posting within 4 hours. What does this demonstrate?
I would request camera person, camera number 2. Mr. Arka, I did not interrupt you. Mr. Arka, I did not interrupt you.
Mr. Arka, you can't
I think on a sensitive debate, we must have our...
It's not a recitation of a poem, okay? This is a debate show where you have to answer questions.
Now,
if you want to just rattle off a pre-decided script, then sorry.
And nobody asks questions when somebody is talking.
Further the entire matter.
Please,
let me come with some facts.
Respond.
The only person actually, Arkaji, defending the delinquent principal was your government when your standing counsel stood up in the High Court and was chastised by the High Court that you have come here to defend this principal. Here is the order of the Health Ministry. And who's the Health Minister of Kolkata, Bengal? Please do Google it. Issuing an order for his reinstatement within hours. And this is not the only time, Navika. In 2021, this particular principal had been removed. And within 1 day, 24 hours, he was reinstated. And I can read out the order for you. Then the government goes and defends his actions in High Court. Thereafter, you have said about the police. The police should be rewarded for the work it's done. Let me just quote you 3 or 4 paragraphs of the order today. Today, first paragraph. The parents believe that the investigation will be derailed if the state police continues the investigation, para 26 of the High Court order. Para 29, no significant probe has taken place after August 9 by the West Bengal police. After that, para 30, the administration, state administration was not with the victim or with the family of the victim. Para 32, parents believe that there's every possibility that the evidence will be destroyed if this matter continues with West Bengal police. This is the state of the police as per the High Court. And by the way, how is this person who has complaints against him working in the Police Welfare Board? These are specific questions. The only person defending both the principal and the actions of the police which are beyond, which are in the realm of suspicion is you. And therefore, my question to you, Mr. Arka, is who's the Home Minister of Bengal? Mamta Banerjee. Who's the Health Minister of Bengal? Actually, Health Minister also, Mamta Banerjee. What action should happen on her?
Mr. Nag.
Well, I am trying to repeat myself again because I am not saying that the things have been done and the principal's action is beyond question. It is already under judicial review. He's already in a holiday for 15 days. I do not know whether it will culminate to a disciplinary proceeding or not, but that has to be given time with. But what happened was on 8th of August night, discovered in the 9th of August. Investigations started, people apprehended, FSL visceras were called for, postmortem came in, reports came in only on 12th of August.
Arka.
Today we are on the 13th of August.
Arka, one second.
Please
one second. I don't want to interrupt you. Arka, I don't want to interrupt you. Arka, I don't want to interrupt you. Just one line.
And if there
Arka,
are
just one line.
matters of gang rape,
Arka, just one line.
there are matters of other
Arka, just
theories,
one
that
line.
has to be looked into.
Arka, just one
now
line.
The CBI will look
Arka,
into
just
it.
one line. Arka, just one line. Just one line.
Absolutely.
Just one line. Navika, just one line. You are very right. You said incident took place on 9th August. Everything came on 12th August. Then why on 12th August was his reinstatement issued? You should have then given him a standing order that wait, we'll see the facts and then we'll reinstate you. Why was this tearing hurry in reinstating him? And who reinstated
You
him?
are again making another mistake. Please try to understand. The principal is not an accused in this rape case.
Now suddenly you are defending the principal.
It might be the fact that the principal.
So now you are
Well,
defending
the
the
principal is not an accused, but the principal is sent on leave by the High Court, not by the state government. The principal does not register an FIR. Well,
No,
I
get the
don't
fact
understand.
right.
Priya Chetty
High Court
Gopal.
has not sent the principal to leave. You are wrong. You are misinformed.
I'm misinformed. May I read the High Court order to you, sir? May I read the High Court order to you, because your information is a darn sight worse than my information. If you are, may I read the order of the High Court? And paragraph 25 says, we have advised the learned advocate appearing for Professor Sandeep Kumar Ghosh to direct his client to immediately proceed on leave, failing which the court will be compelled to pass necessary orders. On oral instruction, the learned advocate submitted that his client will immediately proceed on leave. If such an application is submitted, we will accept this, and the man is sent on leave. But